Hi friends, I am Rahul. Welcome to our channel DIY Almost Everything. Today we will be reviewing and unboxing a new product which is cordless drill machine from Ibel. Ibel is a company based in Cochin, Kerala. They generally sell their products only on online platform. I have not seen their offline stores at all. However, they are into all heavy duty machines. While unboxing it, let me quickly do a price review. On Amazon, the product was available for 6,600 with 10% discount. Whereas in Flipkart, it was available for 6,200, that is 400 rupees less, with a 15% discount on Axis Bank card. And definitely I bought it from Flipkart. The box which is on the outer side is a Ibel box itself, so it was not a box from Flipkart. It comes with a company. A bill is inside, and very nicely designed packaging. It comes with a handle, very nicely packed, kind of a cover, and then there is a briefcase inside. Now quickly review the cover. This comes with 18 months warranty. You have to register the warranty. This is a 20-volt battery. The order which I did was for two batteries. We will see if we have received two batteries. It is 15 mAh battery which can drill into steel and wood, which means pretty strong machine. No load speed, which is 0 to 450 or 0 to 1450 rpm, which seems to be a very good speed. Has three modes: driver, impact, drill, which means we can use it as a screwdriver or as a drill machine. Now let's review the pricing. The printed price on the product is 9,600. This product is manufactured in China, imported in May 2021 or manufactured in May 2021. Both are the same, and it is imported by High-Tech Machineries and Equipments from Cochin. Now let's quickly open the box. A very nicely designed briefcase with an Ibel logo on it. It comes with a seal which says "Do not accept if seal is broken." So yeah, I'm opening the seal in front of you. I will need a cutter. It comes with a nice two knobs. You remember those old days briefcases which had these knobs? So very nicely designed. So finally I've opened the box. It comes with a manual and a drill bit. It's not a drill bit, it's a screw bit, only one bit. This looks like a charger with an Indian 2-pin. Two batteries, very heavy in weight, looks like around 300 to 400 grams. Same two batteries. And then finally the drill machine. Drill machine is also very heavy, comes with a belt, but very good grip. I like the grip. Let's put the battery and see. I don't know if the battery has any power, but we'll see if it works. Yeah, if you notice, the lights are switched on, and the light will switch off automatically. So it has an automatic light, which I really liked as a function. This is a reverse button, so specially used for your screwdrivers, and when you have to reverse it, you have to press this button and then just press. Same way, if you want to unscrew it, you have to press and then again press. It comes with 20 speeds, 1, 2 and so on. Very clearly embossed, where screwing is option 1, drilling is 2, and then hammer drilling is 2 and above. So very nicely mentioned on the machine itself. Again, very sturdy machine, looks heavy, good grip. But we will review that in more detail. We will actually see this. First, let's see the charging. We will put it into the plug point, put the battery, and then switch on the button. So as soon as I switch on the button, the red light has started. I don't know if you can see it, but now the battery is getting charged, and we will keep it for some time and see what happens. Meanwhile, let's review a manual or other papers which have come with it. So it has a manual and also a warranty card. So this has warranty serial number on it. Phone number has been given, which is like a helpline. and if you want to register, you have to register within 10 days of purchase, either on the website or on WhatsApp, which is good. Let's see. I will register this either online or on WhatsApp, and we'll see the response. Let's go through manual very quickly. It shows around 23 pages manual, which is very good. Usually nowadays you don't get detailed manual. It gives you work safety rules, electrical safety, some basic things which comes in every electronical product. Power tool use and care, again what you have to take care while using it. We have impact driver safety warnings. So these are warnings. Battery pack, yeah, it has two batteries, so it mentions about battery, it mentions about battery charger, then it explains the parts of the machine as well as the battery. Very nicely defined. Product specification, let's quickly review this. This is 18 volt rated voltage, maximum voltage 20, no load 450 or 1450 we saw already. 20 settings, 1.14 kg. I said it's a heavy machine. 10 mm only, which is very disappointing. Drilling capacity is 15 for wood and 10 for steel. Battery pack comes with Leon battery, 1500 mAh, 20 volt max, and 400 grams, 0.4 kg. I said it's very heavy battery. And then the charger details. Yeah, this page tells about how to charge. I think it's very easy to understand. You don't need manual for that. And on next page it explains the charging status. Yeah, so you can check the status of the battery while using it, and they have given some percentage. It is charging now, so I will not click on it, but I think it will come from here. We will see at the end after the battery is charged. Okay, let's do some testing. So now let's test this. We have received only one bit with the drill machine, which is pretty disappointing, because if I am buying a machine of almost 6,000 rupees, I would expect some more bits to come in. But if you see my other video on Amazon Basics drill bit set, which I have bought from Amazon, I'll be using a bit out from it. The chuck is very simple. You have to just rotate it, fit it, and I'm using one bit. Let's try this. Now what I've noticed is, because the drill bit is small, I am not able to unscrew something which is deep. So either you will need a better bit which is long in size. So I don't have it. I will use a screwdriver. I'm not even sure if you get that in market. This is again a second disappointing point for me, that you cannot screw or unscrew if it is deeper, and you may need something longer drill bit for this, or screw bit for this. Now I am able to open it. Yeah, so that's open. I took help of screwdriver. So the summary is, if it is easy, less deep screw, you can easily open it. If it is deep, you can't. Now let's screw it again. Very easy to screw. I definitely like the screwing machine. First impression is good. It is very sturdy, heavy, but the only problem I saw, you need a better bits, which company is not giving. So two disappointing points from the machine till now. So I have a drill bit of plastic drilling, and we'll try drilling the plastic. Very good product. I was able to drill in hardly few seconds. Number 3, we will be trying to drill a wood. Very easy to drill. Now if you see, the battery has showing as a blue indicator, which means the battery is fully charged. So now the battery is charged, and it's very easy way to check with how the status is the battery. So this is 75% charged now. Similarly, we will see this battery also, what is the status. Yeah, it is almost 75% charge. So quick summary, I got a drill machine, 2 batteries, 1 bit, screwing bit, 1 charger and manual, and a warranty card. Overall, I would give 4-star, because I thought if a product is costing 6,000 rupees, we should at least expect company to provide more bits, because now I will have to go in market to buy, or I will have to use something which I already had. Overall, it's a great machine. I definitely would recommend it to buy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.